Hi, and welcome to the AVID Senior Data one. Keep in mind there is Danger Cat right below me right now, so she just woke up. We'll see if she stays or if she's gonna go. She usually leaves. Yeah, I don't know if you heard that. Cat! So what AVID wants is it needs all kinds of information from you since you're seniors because you're what AVID has been working for so very long. Um, Yep, she knows not to hang around here. You're going to be filling out some form, this big long form about your experiences in high school and where you're planning to go next year, and what you've gotten out of Avid. So where you're going to go is you're going to go to my.avid.org. Make sure you type all of that. Don't do avid.org. That's the wrong site. My.avid.org. You're going to click login on the top right, and then your login should be the same as your school's email. I made all these myself, so if there are any login issues, make sure I'll still be in the Zoom chat, so just message me in the Zoom chat and I'll help you out. Your password, CHPS, all lowercase, and your student ID number. I'm going to show you where that place looks like. So this is the site. I'm already logged into it. So there should be a login button. You might see that, or it might bring you directly to this spot. This is where you would log in. So type in your regular login stuff as if you're logging into your Chromebook, and then you want to go ahead and log in. Once you're here, you want to click this and go to the data collection. This is where you're going to be entering all of your data. I can't actually go into the form. When you go into your accounts, you'll be able to actually go into the form, but this is where you want to click. Go to that secondary senior data entry form. All right, I'm going to go back into this. Okay, so that's what I was just saying. Make sure you log in and then go to that link. Once you're in the thing, answer all the things. So it's a long form. Thank you for taking the time to fill this out. It's really helpful for AVID to know how well we actually are helping students. And you are kind of our end result. Like, you're the thing that AVID has been working for so long. So we really care about what your experience and what you have gotten out of AVID. Some of the common questions that people ask is, I realize it's not the end of the school year right now, but we're going to assume that today is May 28th. So any question that you're asking is like, well, I'm going to do that in a little bit, or there's uncertainty about whether I'm going to do it. We're going to assume today is May 28th, etc. It'll pop up this thing about baccalaureate classes. We don't have those. We only have pre-AP. Baccalaureate is something that other schools do, and we don't. If there's any college you applied to, so if you did the full application, you need to list that school. Whether you got accepted or not, you need to list all the colleges you applied for. I got a lot of people who will just put the college that they got accepted to. No, I need every last college you applied to. And this one comes up more quickly, is Columbia Academy. They ask where you go to middle school. Columbia Academy doesn't show up, so you just choose to type it in. It doesn't pop up on the list for some reason or another. That might be fixed this year. I don't know, but traditionally, it's never popped up. College credits. You get college credits from ARCC and PSEO. I'm a little in the way. PSEO. There. So those are the only ways that you can get credits. Make sure you go to ARCC's website to decide how many credits you get from each class, because a class isn't necessarily one credit or a half a credit. Different ones are different amounts. So I think like environmental is more credits than like college algebra is. Your diploma is either going to be honors or standard diplomas. If you get an honors diploma, you need to have taken 4 AP classes to qualify for honors. And that's it. If you have 4 AP classes, you will get an honors diploma if you've taken them. Otherwise, just choose standard. Also, AP classes do not count as college credits for the purposes of this form. Yes, taking an AP test gets you college credit, But when it asks like how many college credits you have, don't look at your AP courses. You're only looking at ARCC or PSEO. And I think that's it. Yeah. So those are the major issues. There's a lot of questions on this form. So be careful to answer all of them correctly. I'm going to try to work through and double check them and verify things with you. But I'll be in the Zoom chat answering any questions that you have as you fill this out. So thanks for watching. And if you got questions, let me know.